Good afternoon, everyone. This is the session number 1 from the chapter of alternating currents, and this is the introductory session here. And here I have written 3 points pertaining to the alternating current. So the first point is that in our homes and offices we get the electric supply in which the voltage varies like a sine function with time. So this is this is the sine function of the voltage which we are getting in our homes, offices, and the commercial setups. Now this voltage is called the alternating voltage. It is called an AC. Sorry, it is called an alternating voltage. So this alternating voltage varies like this sine function, and here I have made this figure here in which Vm is the amplitude of the oscillating potential difference and omega is the angular frequency. So why we use this AC voltage? Because AC voltage is preferred over the DC voltage, because AC voltage can be efficiently converted from one voltage to another voltage by means of transformer. That is, we can convert the AC voltage, or we can step up the AC voltage with the help of a transformer, and at the same time it can be stepped down also with the help of the transformer. The AC voltage is stepped up in case of transmission over long distances, and the AC voltage is stepped down in order to provide the electric supply in our homes and offices. Because in our homes and offices, we know that the electric supply is basically the single phase supply is normally ranges from 220 to 240 volts, and the three-way supply it is normally 440 volts. So in order to get these voltages, we use the transformers in order to step down the higher voltages which we are getting from the power plants, and we step down to this voltage range. Whereas if we want to transmit the this electric supply to remote places or over long distances, then in that case we use the step up transformers in order to step up the voltage which we are getting from the power plants to a higher voltage. So in doing so, we are also able to transmit this electrical power economically over long distances. So these are the some of the major advantages of using the AC voltage over DC voltage, and this was only an introductory session regarding this chapter. So in the next chapter, I will be discussing about the different electrical circuits in detail. So thank you very much for joining this session, and have a nice day. Bye.